Cooled off. On the penetration, Wiggins taking the con. Curry a little back cut. White forces a pass. Curry's been facilitating very well in the first couple of games. There is another chance for an assist.
Smith tried to draw some fouls.
Here is Curry leaning in. Tough shot. Anderson may have shuffled that foot. 8 on the clock for Curry. The step back over Kobe White. That is Curry watched by Temple, firing away, and there is Curry through the defense, setting up Lee for a step over 3. His first 3, he's got 6 points. Curry put the moves on Temple, and the reverse. Williams with that shade. Now Marketing coming over to help out as well. Got to account for him. Wiggins. Curry. 7 boards, 10 points for Wendell Carter. Nice flip to Wiseman. Wiggins, nice kick. Curry, there's his.
Over 8 of 14 this quarter from 3.
Look at Curry. So inspiring. Ooh, Curry saved it, got back up, fired it away, and knocked it.
That would get them off to a good start. You wouldn't have to rely so much on your bench.
Steph Curry. Ooh. So this is the score as it stands, 123-118. Curry, that's a 3, and he knocks it. So this is the score as it stands, 123-118. Curry, that's a 3, and he knocks it. The veteran with a clutch tray. Curry back the other way. Leading in. The veteran with a clutch tray. Curry back the other way. Leading in.
Wow.
Wow. Steph Curry.
Wow, you talking about body control from the